Oh, shit.
What?
Shit.
What?
We got a green light, but we're not moving. And you can hear people are keeping behind us. So I don't know what's going on.
That guy's pretty upset.
He acts like I could do something. It's like, dude, I can't do anything. Yeah, there we go. He just flipped me off. Oh, he doesn't understand. It's nothing to do with me.
Now born, so sail on to you. Raise my glass to take me to my virgin grave beneath the haunted snow. Really, asshole? Nothing. I mean, that's how the niggas going through today. And I shoot it. You are fucking stupid, apparently. Did you see me?
Oh, wow. Oh. I'm just scared.
Is that guy tailgating the shit out of a cop? Or is the cop towing it?
I don't know.
Because, dude,
Kind of weird.
he's just tailgating. Do they know each other? Because if they don't, that's fucking really stupid.
It's kind of weird.
Look at him.
I know. I'm not sure what's going on there.
They can't be towing because you'd have to have a sign that says in tow.
And why would a cop tow somebody?
I don't know. It doesn't make any sense. But why would a guy follow that closely behind? It's a chick. And I think I see some blue hair.
It's the all-day payday on 97.1 Charlie FM.
You think she's trolling him?
Maybe.
You can win 1,000.
I hope she gets pulled. I hope she gets a fucking ticket.
Blast. B-L-A-S-T. Blast.
Text that code word now to 72881.
She's riding his ass.
Winners will be chosen randomly from all entries nationally.
Yeah, do it, please. Fucking please light her up. Please light her up. I want to follow this guy around until he lights her up.
He's at least going to make her uncomfortable.
I wouldn't tailgate her if I were him. I'd just fucking light her ass up.
now she's tailgating the person in front of her.
Well,
Yeah.
yes!
There we go.
Yes!
That's,
Oh, that's delicious.
that was,
What a dickhead. Wow, let's look how stupid her face is. Oh, your face is so stupid! What a dickhead. Oh boy. Gee whiz. That person wants an accident.
no. I don't know, maybe 77? 78? I'm not sure. I'd have to ask Sam's car. Look at this guy.
Here comes
Oh
the
my
police.
God.
He's trying to escape.
That cop saw him do that.
Yeah.
I wonder if he's going to catch up with him. He won't be able to catch up with him. He'll get away. Where'd he go?
Probably catch up with him.
Huh?
Probably catch up with him. How's he going to get away?
I don't think. You turn in somewhere and the cop wouldn't see where he turned.
See his He's right behind him now.
Oh, he is?
He got in the turn lane here.
That was a bad thing.
No, we should save that one.
Oh, yeah. I couldn't see who it was.